Hi, my name is Andrew. I've been teaching photography and videography on this YouTube channel and also on my website. You know, what I like about teaching online are the amazing things that I can do with videos like this. It makes learning totally easy. Let me show you what I mean. Take a look at this picture here. From this picture, I can now add on flash. And then from this, I can really look at the histogram and then tell you that this part of the histogram is this part of the shadow, and this part of this is the mid-tone, and this is the highlight, and then pull in the dynamic range and then show you how many stops that we get. At the same time, show you the camera's interface. All this can be done effortlessly online. Learning is now effortless and very fast. You can be like learning while you're waiting for your public transport. You can be learning while you're waiting for your food to arrive. So hurry, head on to my website, and what's more exciting is we're having our 11/11 promo now, and take a look at this Snappy Series e-learnings. For all the videos that you have in there, the price is just $1.11. That's unbelievable. No, you cannot get this any cheaper anyway. Apart from that, I have many more e-learning titles. Look at the price now. They're $11.11. Look at the price before promo. So hurry, make e-learning your preferred choice of learning. Head on to my website and learn photography and videography the easier and better way. And I can now teach you about exposure compensation very easily. Look at this knob. Turn this knob. And when you do that, you're making the camera brighter. See how easy e-learning is? If I were to do this in a real class, so tough. You can't even see my hand when you're sitting back there.